Hello everyone, Namaskar. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. So today I want to talk about improvising your work from home equipment. These days, everybody is working from home and some have high-end equipment, some are using old laptops. Me personally am using a laptop from 2012. It's an ASUS K53S. It's got 4 GB DDR3 RAM, 2 GB NVIDIA graphic card, and you could say it's an i3 second or third generation. Now, to improvise your laptop or computer's performance, you gotta do 3 things. First is basic cleaning. So I personally cleaned my laptop last week. If you want to do it, you can do it yourself or go to a professional and get it done. Second thing is upgrading your RAM. So based upon your processor and your laptop, you can check online and see if your motherboard is compatible with some more RAM and check what kind of megahertz it supports. Based on which I have ordered one 4 GB stick DDR3. It's 1333 megahertz to be installing on the second RAM slot of my laptop. Now the third thing is an SSD. We need an SSD because if you see previously the laptops used to have an HDD which is somewhere about 5400 RPM or 7400 RPM, which gives you a read and write speed about 100 Mbps, is low in terms of today's day. So using an SSD will completely improvise the performance. Like right now my boot time is about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm going to be installing a Kingston 240 GB SSD, which I'm going to be installing using this is a replacement caddy. You can use it to add a SSD or a hard drive to your CD drive or DVD ROM slot. My laptop is old, so I'm gonna put the SSD using this caddy and removing my CD drive because I generally don't use and we don't use CD drives these days, right? Let's check what results we get after this upgrade. Now after installing the SSD, we are going to use mini partition tool to migrate or duplicate our C drive to avoid any data loss or any applications we have. Once you have migrated or duplicated your C drive, we got to change the BIOS. Let's go ahead to the boot menu and select our SSD as our primary boot device. So after all these upgrades, this is the boot time which we have achieved. And this is the read and write speed of our new SSD and the old HDD which I already had on my laptop. So I'm using both in this case because I want some increased storage. If you don't have a DVD or CD-ROM slot, you can directly replace your old HDD with a new SSD to have higher read and write speed. Finally, my system feels so buttery smooth. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries related to such upgrades, be sure to put those in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay blessed.